Okay, I've got something kind of neat to show you here. This is a miniature backhoe. Alrighty, see this? It goes like this. Okay, you dump it. Alright, here you go. Like that. Okay, push down on it. I've practiced with this thing. If this thing were a little bit bigger, and it doesn't have to be much bigger than this, I'd say 4 times the size of this, it would work as a real backhoe for an adult on the back of a riding lawnmower. Okay, it's such a simple mechanical, you'd be amazed how powerful this thing is as a toy. Alrighty? You know, and I don't have any dirt in it right now. Okay? You can see it's the real McCoy. Okay, it is a real functioning working backhoe. See that? It's a very simple mechanical advantage. You know, it's very easy to do this with hydraulics. Maybe air cylinders on it. Using air pressure to run it. Anyway, this thing is just neater than all get out. It really is. It's just cool. See, it's one of the best toys I've ever seen in a long time. Okay? Here we go. It's pretty neat.